With over 130 years of OEM experience, Timken's Spherical roller bearing repair process offers the expertise of the industry's only vertically integrated remanufacturer, paired with the industry's leading aftermarket warranty. Our precision spherical roller bearing repair services are available for virtually any brand sized above a 15-inch bore. Our remanufacturing process begins at our large parts washer, with a capacity of up to 8 feet in size and 5,000 pounds total weight. We can clean all bearing types and brands from 12 inches to 84 inches in outside diameter. After cleaning, our real-time electronic inspection documents damage and creates repair recommendations. This precise gauging process records the bearing's boundary dimensions, roundness, and clearances. We then generate a detailed customer inspection report that includes product photography. Our field service representatives can offer additional damage analysis if needed. Once damage analysis has been completed, we will provide quick turnaround quotes within 14 days of receiving a damaged unit. Any pre-approved repair projects go immediately to the top of the list, and any non-repairable products can be discarded at our facility free of charge. Our bearing remanufacturing process continues with precision polishing, where we clean all unground bearing surfaces to an as-new finish. Then we use a specialized cleaning technique for bearing cage reconditioning. Followed by our custom spherical roller manufacturing process. To ensure your confidence in our repair process, all our products are required to meet Timken's strictest OEM product standards for precision profiles and geometries. Replacement roller sets must match to within 1/10,000th of an inch in size regardless of diameter. Our full line of race grinding equipment accommodates a wide range of bearing types and sizes, and we have the capability to maintain C08 precision levels and runouts. Finally, during assembly and inspection, we adhere to Timken's OEM assembly process. This ensures proper clearance and geometry while preventing assembly damage. After passing our rigorous quality and assembly checks, we submerge the final bearing in a specialized OEM preservative to prevent rust and corrosion before wrapping it in an additional layer of protection to avoid shipping damage. Our bearings are then packed with rubber cording and an internal lid to minimize the vibrations that cause most damage during material handling. Lastly, we use vacuum-sealed bags to create a vapor barrier to protect against environmental contamination and reduce the risk of condensation in humid storage conditions. So why choose a repair over a direct replacement? Repairs can cost significantly less and have drastically shorter lead times. In addition, our manufacturing process maintains C08 accuracy. We can customize clearances, handle straight bore and taper conversions, and offer special coatings to reduce skidding damage. When you choose Timken's Bearing Repair Services, you'll access documented cost savings of up to 80% versus new bearing replacements. You'll also obtain the industry's best 18-month warranty, regardless of the brand or type of bearing. Our expertise with precision class products ensures your refurbished bearings are held to rigorous standards. And with over 4 decades of ISO certified quality, Timken remains unsurpassed in our bearing remanufacturing capabilities. To learn more, visit www.timkenbearingrepair.com or contact us at 864-424-1600. You can also email us at bearingrepair@timken.com.